What's cracking YouTube? This is Odd Pistachio here with another tutorial for you guys. So today we're going to be doing the Autotune feature built into Garageband. So just, if you haven't, pull up Garageband. Right now it's on the smart controls for narration vocal. So what you'll want to do is right beside it are scissors. Click on that. You'll see there's track and region. I'm gonna make sure it's on track. And then you can, down here, it says pitch correction. I don't know if you can see that. Sometimes you might need to, if you're using a laptop, you might need to see what I just did. Go into full screen or Control Command F if you do shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts. See, now you can see the whole thing. It says pitch correction, limit to key, enable flex. If you do that all the way up, limit to key, enable flex, that will basically make it sound. Get that auto-tune, the woo. Some people don't like that, but I think it's cool just for messing around. So basically what I'm gonna do is show you how to use that. But first I'm gonna save this as I don't know, tutorial video, I guess. Good enough, doesn't matter. And then I'm gonna record something. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 ba 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 blah ba da ba 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 blah ba 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 ba. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 ba 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 blah ba da ba 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 blah ba 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 ba. Alright, sweet. We got our audio. You can change the key here all the way down from C minor up to B major, and you can change the time signature. So if you want it to have more rhythm to it, change it from 3/4, which is like a waltz. 1, 2, 3, 4/4 is very common. I don't know, I think 6/8 sounds cool. Just, yeah, mess around with that. That doesn't matter too much because we're not trying to create a song. This is how I use Autotune when I'm just messing around. Right, so let's go pitch correction all the way up to 100. Limit to key, enable flex. We will see what that sounds like in C major. Blah 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 blah. So as you can tell, it's all over the place. That's because I wasn't really putting much effort into singing well. Autotune had to work hard. Yeah, and it still doesn't. Blah 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 blah. Okay, there it sounds better because I was singing a key instead of so that's what you don't want to do when you're using Autotune. You want to try to at least get somewhat close to the key or pitch you're going for. Blah 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 blah. interesting. Let's see if we do a different key, maybe A minor, I don't know.
Blah 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 blah.
Let's try a different one. Or maybe not, instead of E minor, let's do D major.
Blah 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 blah.
It's kind of hard to do that, but that's just a basic idea of how to do it. If any of you guys know any more advanced techniques in GarageBand, please let me know. Message me down below. I'm not an expert in Autotune, but that is as far as I know. I hope this helped you out, you guys. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. If you guys would do that, that'd be great. And remember to get practice.
Subscribe.